Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chavito from the Ocho, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video as I'm going to be unpacking the brand new capture card I got for Christmas, and that is the new AverMedia Live Gamer Mini. And to those who are, starting to do like live streams or recording videos, this is actually the most easiest and most simple starter capture cards to use. This was actually $80 on Amazon. Plus, I also got a 4-year warranty included. So, yeah, we're gonna unbox this, and I'm also gonna try setting it up on my PC as well. And then afterwards, maybe I'll show you guys my little gaming studio setup. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so there should be a little opening here. Alright, let's see what's in this box. And as you guys can see here, this is the capture card. And yeah, there used to be like wrap around it, but I kind of actually opened it. So yeah, we're good. So as you guys can see here, there are two HDMI ports. There's the out and there's the in. And also there's the USB cable. Or to be more specific, this is the USB 2.0 output. And what I actually like about this, it doesn't take as much as CPU usage throughout using this capture card. And to be honest, I think it's a lot more better than the Elgato HD60. I was actually considering going through Elgato, but you know, after doing a lot of research on capture cards, I'm actually going to plan on getting that when I get like a better PC. So we get a capture card, and this is the USB cable. And also there is a 1-year warranty for that. I'm gonna actually activate that later. And here's the instruction manual. Now keep in mind there is no HDMI cord included, so if you want to get an additional HDMI cord, you have to buy it, or if you have a spare one in your own house, then you can use it. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and try hooking it up to my PC now. Okay, so now with this, I'm going to actually connect it with the Switch first. I'm going to work on getting with the Wii second, but for now I actually want to connect it to the Switch. You can also plug this to your PS4 or your Xbox One. So the first thing you want to do is take the USB cable, put it here, like that, and then you want to plug this onto the PC. I'm going to show you that in a second. And then you take this, and let me just get this out of the way. You plug it right here. And make sure the white thing is facing down. So there you go. And as for the HDMI cable is right here. This is for the adapter thing. And this is actually for the mouse. Alright, so I'm gonna take, and the only thing you have to do left is connect these two HDMI ports with the AverMedia. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. You take this and you put in the HDMI in. This HDMI is for the switch, and this one, you're gonna take this to HDMI out. So the power is not on yet. I need to turn on my PC for that. And that's exactly how it's supposed to go. Alright, so as you guys can see, my PC is on, but I need to log in first. So now what you guys want to do is, to make sure that AverMedia is connected, you want to go to your settings right here. And you're going to go to devices. And that's how it's supposed to go. And as you guys see, the AverMedia right here, that means it's connected. This is for the mouse. And I got my SD card right here. Don't worry about the SD card. So now I'm going to test this on OBS for you guys. So as you guys can see, in order to actually get the capture card run up, you have to go to sources, then click on video capture device, and you can just name it a capture card, and it will give you the default. Alright, and as you guys can see, it works. But I actually haven't set up the audio and mixer right here. I need to do that later. So that's about it. Also, I just wanted to apologize to you guys if I couldn't do this throughout recording. My bad. So, but hey, no worries. Alright, now for the Wii bit, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what you guys are going to do is take this HDMI cord and, sorry, it's dangling. Take this and put it here. And now what you guys are going to do is plug this USB inside here. And there's a switch for this. This is just setting the resolution from 720p to 1080p. But I'm going to actually leave it to 720p for the best results. Alright, and I'm going to turn on my Wii now. And it works. So there you guys have it. So as long as you have this along with the capture card, it should work properly well. So I guess that wraps up for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and setup video. And if you have any questions about the capture card, for instance, doesn't work with AV units like PS2 or the PS3, yes, it can only work if you have the HDMI adapter for that. And any other question, let me know down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys again next time. Peace. Have a good day.